In this video, I'll be comparing whether ChatGPT or Perplexity is the better AI tool for your coding projects in 2026. I start by reviewing the core differences between the two, noting that while ChatGPT is great for clean UI code, Perplexity shines when it comes to debugging and complex logic. As I scroll through this guide, I've laid out 6 practical coding scenarios to see how they perform head-to-head in real-world situations. I evaluated both tools based on specific parameters like code correctness, debugging skills, and UI responsiveness. In the comparison table, I can see which tool is recommended for scenarios like writing UI components versus refactoring logic. For our first task, I have them build a budget estimator using HTML and JavaScript with a detailed prompt. ChatGPT delivered a clean, modular result that was easy to read, though the cost estimation logic was a bit simplified. Perplexity took a more structured approach by first explaining the parameters and logic before providing a highly accurate and functionally detailed code block. I found that Perplexity's results offered much deeper technical insights and a more realistic pricing formula, which is why it won this specific round. Moving further down to the final comparison, I can see that the choice depends on whether you need speed or deep technical explanations. I wrap up by looking at the final thoughts on when to switch between these tools to get the best results for your development workflow. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, choosing the right tool for the specific task is key to working smarter. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.